nagagandahan at nagwawagwapuhan ng mga hindi nagkakapapakabog. Yes, my dear employees, our partner brands. Good evening. We celebrate a truly special milestone. This is our 10th anniversary. Reflecting on this incredible journey fills my heart with immense gratitude and pride. In 2020, we embarked on a bold expansion, a decision driven by courage, faith, and a vision of creating more opportunities for people like you. As we look forward, I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this incredible journey. Your unwavering support, hard work, and dedication have been the backbone of our success. Tonight, let us not only celebrate the accomplishments of the past 10 years, but also the promise of even greater things to come. Here's to all of us and to a bright, prosperous future together. Thank you and have a magical evening ahead.
Kaya ngayon, magdiwang muna tayo dahil pagkatapos nito, haharap ulit tayo ng isang panibagong laban araw-araw. Maraming salamat sa inyong dedikasyon at pagmamahal sa ating layunin. Naway magpatuloy ang ating tagumpay at sa mga susunod pang taon. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayong gabi at naway magdalo itong isang inspirasyon sa panibagong simula sa sunod na araw at susunod na taon.